Hey, good morning guys, it's Matt Machine here. Welcome back to the video. I was gonna wake up and record a Planet Coaster 2 video after I'm done with my first cup of coffee, but I noticed I lose, well, at least like one subscriber when I post a Planet Coaster 2 video. So instead I'm gonna make a video as me talking about like theme park predictions and like what I believe could happen in the area. And just talk about the theme park sections that they're opening up. But today's main topic is actually going to be about Kingda Ka and Green Lantern. Why did the Six Flags Great Adventure shut that down? Well, I hope you like this video, and I'll show you when I dive in deeper to why Six Flags shut these things down. So on Veterans Day, there was Six Flags Great Adventure shut down, the Kingda Ka, and they shut down Green Lantern, the Twizzlers Top Spin, and the Parachute Ride. So I can tell you the two reasons why they one reason why they shut down Kingda Ka. According to what I'm hearing, I'm not sure how true, it became an insurance liability that it would cost them too much money for the insurance. Not only that, it actually does cost a lot of money to operate. The Ka is pretty much cost, they have to have a staff during the daytime and all overnight to maintain the coaster. But this became a money-hungry issue. And the reason why they're having this the insurance liability with it is because of, those of you that don't know, Cedar Fair and Six Flags are the same company now. And Cedar Fair actually had a lawsuit on the Accelerator Stratocoaster model they had at the Cedar Point called Top Thrill Dragster, the first one. Yeah, liability issue that someone, a part fall off from the ride vehicle or track, it hits a guest in the head. So the insurance company wanted to charge them more money for having that type of attraction at Six Flags Great Adventure, according to what I heard. So between that and it costs so much to maintain. On top of that, according to what I heard, before they decided to do this, they were actually planning to do like a major overhaul to Kingda Ka. They were gonna have like a new train for like the 20th anniversary of it. Yeah, next season was actually gonna be the 25th anniversary of Kingda Ka. But they were gonna have like a new, redo the train a little bit, make it smoother. But that changed because of this liability issue. And those of you that don't know, that Green Lantern, their stand-up coaster from B&M that got transferred from Kentucky Kingdom to there, got removed also. They already announced what's replacing Kingda Ka and Green Lantern already. It's supposed to be a record-breaking multi-launch coaster, but they didn't say what company's making it. They didn't say what type of, if it's gonna be LSM or chain lift. Didn't even say if it's going to be an RMC iBox that's built from scratch. But didn't say anything about like what model it's going to be. Well, they said launch coaster. Never mind, I'm stupid. My second cup of coffee didn't kick in yet, that's why. But they didn't say anything about like what company's going to make it. So I wanted to dig a little deeper and talk about what company could make it. So I know that Six Flags and Cedar Fair, or the new Six Flags Corporation, be called now, they will not work with Zimperla again after what happened with Top Thrill 2. Since it's only operated for like 2 weeks of the whole year this season. So I know they're not going to work with Zimperla ever again, probably because of that. So if we know Zimperla is not making that model, the multi-launch record coaster. But here's what my prediction is. I predicted Intamin to make something like the Falcon's Flight, the one that they're opening in Six Flags of Radia. The one that's opening in Six Flags, they're going to make a model of that, but not as, they're going to have it big, but not as fast. Or it won't be as big and fast, but it'll be like record-breaking to the North America region, having like the fastest and biggest roller coaster in North America. So they're trying to push up the tourist stuff in the area where the Six Flags Qiddiya is in Saudi Arabia. But my prediction is it's going to be a model of that. The other thing I could see them doing actually is making that into like a Mach Extreme Spinner or a Giga Coaster. Those are the only three things I could see possibly replacing Kingda Ka. Kingda Ka was just an iconic skyline of the park, that big top hat, the hydraulic launch, and that was just an incredible coaster when I rode it the 2 times. But Six Flags has the Falcon's Flight, and I think we're going to get the American version of it. It's Six Flags Great Adventure, but not going to be as fast, but it's going to be record-breaking to North America. So I could see them doing that. The other thing I could see them doing is making a Giga dive coaster from B&M. That's the fourth thing I could see them doing. Because they need something like big and something that looks completely different compared to anything else in the park to put in the Kingda Ka spot and Green Lantern spot. I never rode Green Lantern before, But I know the newer B&M stand-ups are good. Like the Pipeline at SeaWorld Orlando, that's phenomenal, that roller coaster. It's my number 5 or 6 on the list, but that's a phenomenal coaster, the new B&M stand-up. But I heard a lot of bad things about the Green Lantern, the old stand-up that was made in '97, I believe. And it was brought to the Great Adventure in 2011, I believe, according to what I heard. And they would have converted the Green Lantern into a floorless coaster, but they already have Medusa, floorless coaster there. It was actually, I thought it was the first stand-up coaster that was converted to floorless coaster, but Medusa was a always floorless coaster from B&M. It was actually the first floorless coaster from B&M. And it didn't open as Medusa, it opened as Bizarro. Like I remember riding it when it was Bizarro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me just talk about like theme park predictions. Hope you guys have a good day, and make sure you like, subscribe if you like more theme park content. And comment what's your favorite roller coaster, Six Flags Great Adventure. Have a good one. Bye.